Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today's video is talking about pouncing on a real estate opportunity when your conviction is high, no matter what anyone else tells you. So here's something I learned the hard way, and I want to share with you so that hopefully you can avoid and learn from my lessons. Real estate is a very, very dynamic and fluid business, and we get lulled into complacency because something has been on the market for a long period of time. In fact, what we're taught is something that's been on the market for a long period of time is not interesting, not to be looked at, the price is wrong, it's been on the market for a month, a year, 10 years. That's false. In fact, I've seen this happen to me many times, and it was just reaffirmed by the broker that I'm working with in the Outer Banks. Something can be on the market for 10 years with no bids, and the price has been dropping consecutively, and then something unexplainable happens. The moon and the stars and the ocean and the wind, everything aligns, and on the very same day, it can go into a bidding war. It sounds improbable, it sounds unlikely, you may not believe me, it happens all the time. So what is it about this opportunity that there's zero bid, zero interest, and then out of nowhere, all of a sudden now there's interest? Well, it's a dynamic and fluid business. It may take a long time to get there, but if you know that you like something, if you have an opinion, you have a concept, you have a vision, the price is right, act. Don't wait, because when you do act, it could be gone. When I was looking in the Outer Banks and working with my broker, the place that I actually am in contract in now, over 10 years it's been for sale. The price has gone down. And when we finally called, I called on the same day that I saw it. When we called, the selling broker said, it's interesting, we've gotten no bids, but somebody just put in a bid recently, let me see if I can't get you a counter. And so when they came back and said, here's where the seller countered to the first bid, if you take it, it's yours, I was in contract within 12 hours. Both parties countersigned, now I'm in 30-day due diligence, the deal is mine. I didn't think about it, I didn't wait, I didn't pause, I have 30-day due diligence period so I can break it if I decide to, but I acted immediately. And I encourage you to do the same thing, because nothing will be more frustrating or keep you up at night than losing a deal, not for the right reasons. That happens all the time. If you're swinging away and you're working hard and you lose the deal, that happens. If you're unsure and you're complacent, or you think you have time, or you're in no rush, and then you make up your mind and you circle back the next day or the next week and your deal is gone, you're not going to be a happy camper. So don't do it. Be confident in your convictions and act. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd really appreciate a thumbs up and some comments below. Oh, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, my friends. Have a great day.